Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's me, your girl, Rosalicious, and I'm at the beautiful beach of FUJAIRAH. We're still in the UAE and we are doing social distancing with other fellow beachgoers. And today I thought of reviewing Huda Beauty Body Highlighter in shade Aphrodite. And it's called N.Y.M.P.H, not your mama. What's that? Not your mama's pantyhose. It's a all-over body highlighter for face and body, designed to give you the glow. It promises you to give your flawless summer skin that feels smooth and hydrated without streaks or harsh lines. I am so excited. I bought this December 2019 and I was really excited to try it. I used it once in December and I mean, it's perfect. I would rather purchase this if this is your first time to purchase a body highlighter or illuminator than purchasing Fenty. But if you're gonna purchase Fenty, I think you should purchase it because you are an entertainer, you are doing photo shoots, you are always out in the night, feel like go clubbing, or you just want to have fun more in the nighttime. Fenty is more glowy because it's just more, it has more pearls, I guess, than Huda Beauty. When I tried this on, it makes my skin look so good. It's like a pantyhose, as in for real, which I really like, and it blends with the skin. Unlike with Fenty Beauty, it looks like you made an effort to look glowy. This one, it makes you look like you just had a really nice body oil, which I like because I don't want to be like, oh yeah, I don't want to be like, you know, people would say I put too much effort, which is I actually do, but not too obvious. But I might gonna try Fenty, but this one works for me at the moment. And I also purchased Huda Beauty Body Blur and Glow brush. It doesn't come with it, you have to purchase it separately. There's other people like right next to me, so it's really awkward, but I'm gonna do this review anyway for you guys. I'm trying to open Huda Beauty's website to get the instructions just to make sure that I'm doing it right, but I think you just need to shake it and apply right away and then blend using the brush. I guess it's the only instruction. Shake, pump, apply, and blend using Huda brush. Huda Blur and Glow body brush. I actually have a problem with this, and part of me was I didn't do anything to destroy the bottle or the pump. It's just that when I open it, like, the pump doesn't work. See, the pump doesn't work. Huda, if you're watching, please, I need you to change this one. Give me a new one. I only use it once. I'll be gladly to return it. Return and exchange for a nicer one. Unfortunately, I threw the receipt because I normally get stuff like in good condition. So I usually like, nothing's gonna happen. I'm not gonna return it. I'm okay. I tested it at SEPHORA. Happy, 100% happy customer. Left. When I try it home, the pump doesn't work, guys. The pump doesn't work. Like, it spritz a little bit, but this is it. If you can see that, I don't think so. So what I did, I need to open the bottle. Good thing you can open the bottle, because if not, I'm dead. I don't have the receipt. I don't have a soft copy either. And it's been like over a month. I don't think, if I could find a soft copy, I don't think I could still return this. So I have to make this thing work. So I'm going to drop some products in my leg and blend it with a brush. Okay, I'm gonna go lower, guys. Lower. Ta-da! I have nothing in my skin. Oh, I do. I did apply sunscreen, but that's it. But I went in the water, so I'm sure it's not that much sunscreen left in my legs, so I'm gonna blend. See, it blends with your skin perfectly, and the glow is just perfect. Oh my gosh, there's sand in the brush. Okay, see, before and after. I'm gonna decrease the aperture. See if it's gonna make, oh yeah, this is 0 aperture. See that? It's so nice. I'm going to do a photo shoot again. Da, da, da. Not too much, just enough. Just enough, because I just want to highlight my shin. I'm not planning on like entirely applying this on my body. I mean, I'm not doing photo shoot, although I'll take pictures, but I'm not going to be like taken professionally. It's just for Instagram. What do you think, guys? Yeah, it's so nice, right? It's just in the end, I have to like blur this out. What do you think? What do you think? Okay. Quick change in costume. Now I'm going to apply on my arms. Let's see. There's too much product. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. You see that? You see that glow from the stick? Oh, I live for this. I'm gonna put this on my, yeah, like on the edge, on the shoulders. Now it's time to blend. But I'm just really trying to blend the product all over the highlighted part of my body. What do you think? Am I glowing now? Or no? It's so difficult applying this way, honestly. It's challenging. After 2 hours of blending, no, it blends smoothly. I don't have a problem. Because the brush is so easy to blend. The brush making it easier to blend. So I guess I'm ready for a photo shoot. The sun is down.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Let's look at the sunset. Very nice. So this is it. If you could see it. Oh, I didn't blend it nice. I have to blend more on this side. Make sure it's even. So nice. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. Ooh, so I properly blend. Bye guys.